Welcome, I'm Tatiana from the Dolly Insider. Today we're having fun with a beginner-friendly sewing pattern that's perfect for fall. It's our Simply Sweet Candy Corn Pillow pattern. Whether you're looking to add some seasonal flair to your doll's world or just want to practice your sewing skills, this cute candy corn pillow is a fantastic project. Grab your supplies. There's a complete list of everything you'll need in the PDF. Cut the candy corn pattern from the fabric. Transfer all markings to the fabric. Grab the top and middle pieces. Right sides together, place the top piece onto the middle piece. Pin, then sew. Next, grab the bottom piece. Right sides together, place the bottom piece onto the middle piece. Pin, then sew. Repeat the steps for the other three pieces. You'll have a front piece and a back piece. Place the candy corn pieces right sides together and pin. Here's a helpful tip. When pinning the candy corn pieces together, try nesting the seams. This means positioning the seams of one candy corn in one direction and the seams of the other piece in the opposite direction. This helps reduce bulk. Starting at one end of the opening mark, sew around to the other end. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end to secure the seam. Notch along the top and bottom of the candy corn. Pinking shears work well for this step. Now the fun part. Time to turn the candy corn right side out. Stuff the pillow to your desired firmness. To close the opening, use a ladder stitch or your favorite hand stitch. Congratulations! You just finished the Simply Sweet Candy Corn Pillow. I hope you had fun making it. Feel free to experiment with different fabrics or mix up the colors to give it your own unique twist. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more doll-related projects. Until then, happy sewing and have fun decorating your doll's world with these cute candy corn pillows.